Okay, so we've just found a heron, a grey heron here.
In the wild.
In the wild. I've never been so close to one actually. I doubted it was real for a second. Thought it was just someone's model, but yeah, this is actually its own thing. I just thought we'd get the cameras rolling just because. Oh, it's amazing.
It's pretty cool. I thought it was someone's model as well.
Yeah,
And then it moved its head, so it's obviously not.
It's obviously not a model. Molly, no. Molly, no.
Is that right, she won't?
Molly. No.
Okay.
That's amazing. So yeah, as you know, we've found the heron on the canal. Oh, it's moving now. It's walking. Oh, nature is just amazing. It's looking right at us. It's looking at us. It's looking right at us. It's amazing. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Just move for a second. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's always good when you get to see a heron this way. Okay, the heron's just parked up like no more.